Connect series. Wired mode walkthrough.
So the first way to connect to our Connect series amplifiers is going to be wired. So the amp ships default in wired mode with DHCP enabled. So we've got a wireless router here with a few network ports on the back. It's going to distribute DHCP. It's currently connected to my PC here through a little dongle from USB-C. So I'll take this cable, plug into the control port of the amplifier, come around to the front here, it'll get an IP address assigned. So you can see here on the screen, it's set to 192.168.1.117. So come back around on my computer, type that into the web browser here. And now we are connected to the amplifier.